How to replace the gas spring on IntelliROL or XR40 gates. Listed are the tools required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Raise the gate to open. Secure the gate in an upward position by attaching a ratchet strap. Tighten the strap until it has a small amount of tension. Note: when the gate is in an upward position, the gas spring assembly at the top is called the fixed end, and the bottom is the rod end. Remove the rod end hardware on the lower end of the gate. Remove fixed end hardware on the upper gate. Place a small amount of 242 Loctite on the end of the gas spring. Hand screw the end onto the gas spring until it stops. Warning: do not use tools to tighten. Tools will mark the shaft and cause the seal to fail. With a clean towel, remove excessive 242 Loctite from the end. Repeat process on the other gas spring. Install the fixed end hardware on the upper gate. Install the rod end hardware on the lower end of the gate. Remove the strap and close the gate. For more Fortna conveyor maintenance videos, visit fortna-conveyor.com.